everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time we're going to try the Indian Bollywood bridal makeup. So in this tutorial, we're going to make a bold eye look and a nude lipstick. If you want to know how I made this look, please keep on watching. And ready your blending brushes because there's going to be a lot of blending here. For the foundation, I'll be using this Lds-Vpsr All Day Liquid Foundation. This foundation is very thick and a little goes a long way. So here's a tip for applying foundation. If you want a full coverage, use a foundation brush. But if you want a natural looking finish, use a beauty blender. In applying foundation with a foundation brush, just work with your foundation in a circular motion. After that, I'll set it with Maybelline's Fit Me Powder Foundation. Another tip in applying this powder foundation is that if you want more coverage, use the sponge that comes with the powder foundation. Otherwise, use a powder brush. The next thing that I'm going to use is this Eyeshadow Final Powder in the shade Creamy Glow. This step is optional, but if you have a very oily skin like me, then girl, we need this. This time I'll be using this Detail Makeover's Contour and Blush Palette to contour my nose. And I'm also using a fluffy angular brush for this. After that, I'm applying a highlighter on the tip of my nose for a smaller illusion. Because Indians' noses are a bit smaller and taller than pure Asians. Then I'll be using this Mark's Eyebrow Gel in the shade Soft Brown from Avon. And the angled brush and the spoolie that I'm using is from Lds-Vpsr. Indians have higher, thicker, and longer eyebrows. So I'll be applying the eyebrow gel above and longer than my natural eyebrows. I'll be using this Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer as my eyeshadow primer. This is important because it holds your eyeshadow in place. I'll just put a small amount of concealer on my eyelids, and then I'll just use my fingers to spread it all throughout my lids. Then I'm using one of the contour shades from the Contour and Blush palette for my transition shade on my lids. I'm using the latter shade of contour. As you can see, I'm applying this brown color all over my lids, going a little bit above my actual crease. After that, I'll just do the same to the other. This time, I'll be using the dark brown shade from the EB Collection Multitask palette. I'm applying it to the outer corner of my eyes, going in above my crease. It will give us an illusion of double eyelids. And after that, I'm just going to blend, 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 and blend. Then I'll be applying the dark brown eyeshadow on my lower lash lines. Then I'm using this Maybelline's Hyper Sharp Liner as my liquid eyeliner. As you have noticed, Indians prefer a thicker eyeliner, especially on special occasions. And that's what I'm going to do now. I'm also going to extend my eyeliner on the inner corner of my eyes to make my eyes look bigger. Then I'll just do the same to my other eye. By the way, please subscribe and click the notification bell button to notify you of my new uploaded videos. With this flat angular brush, I'll intensify the dark brown color on my lower lash lines. Then I'll just remove the fallouts from the eyeshadow. I'm also intensifying the dark brown shade on my upper crease to emphasize more the illusion of having double eyelids. I'll curl my lashes using this Basic Hair Eyelash Curler. For the mascara, I'll be using this Avon True 5-in-1 Lash Genius Mascara in the shade Blackest Black. You can also add false eyelashes to this look if you want. I'm also going to add shimmer eyeshadow in the inner corner part of my eyes. Then I'll be contouring the hollow of my cheeks, the sides of my face, my forehead, and jawline with the dark contour shade coming from the Detail Makeover Contour and Blush Palette. Using Avon's blush brush, I'll be putting blush coming from the same palette. Then I'll be using Maybelline's Powder Matte Toasted Brown Lipstick. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell button to notify you of my new uploaded videos.